Hi, this dance is called Only You, choreographed by Herman Haso from Indonesia. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. Okay, let's start with the section 1. Okay, side together, lock shuffle forward, touch side, coaster step. Section 2, 1-8 diagonally forward, step, lock shuffle forward, and then turn. Okay, and then brush. Okay, section 3, side recover together, and pedal, quarter, and then section 4, Botafogo. Okay, step back, touch forward, step back, touch forward. Okay, let me repeat with a count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.